Make the wax for a paraffin spa. It's a soothing treatment for dry skin, and can cost you quite a bit at a spa, but making your own paraffin wax for a spa treatment can be easy and inexpensive. Some companies offer paraffin wax spa kits, but those are usually pretty pricey and really unnecessary. The idea is to dip your hands, feet, or elbows into the warm wax bath and let it cool. It'll warm and exfoliate your skin and make it softer. It has also been recommended by doctors as a treatment for people with arthritis and other bone and joint diseases. The deep penetrating warmth can work wonders by transferring soothing heat to your joints and muscles, easing your pain. You can find the paraffin wax in your local grocery store, usually in the canning section. You can also buy it in bulk online. Take about 4 pounds of it and melt it slowly on the low setting of an electric pot, or crock pot. An oval-shaped pot works best. After it's melted, check the temperature with a candy thermometer. The wax should be between 125 and 130 degrees. Adjust the temperature on the electric pot if necessary. If it's over that thermal reading, just let it cool a few minutes and check it again. You must stick to this temperature range. Wax that is too hot can burn your skin. Then it's time to add the essential oils. This is where you can get creative, and adjust your treatment to fit your mood. You can try anything from lavender to lemon, peppermint to patchouli. You can even come up with your own unique combinations. About 1 teaspoon will be enough to give your wax treatment a great scent. Make sure to mix it well. Your paraffin wax spa treatment is ready. Just dip your hands, feet, elbows or knees. You can immerse your treatment area several times to form a thick coating of wax. Just let it dry slightly in between each dipping. Try not to move too much because the wax will crack, and it could create uncomfortable hot spots. When you're done, you can simply sit back and let it dry. You can also wrap it in a plastic bag or towels. That will keep the heat in a little longer. Relax and enjoy your soothing treatment. The wax will cool completely in about 10 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, you simply peel the wax from your skin. It can be placed back into the pot and reused another time. Apply your favorite moisturizer to your skin. You'll notice the treated area feels softer and smoother. The warm treatment should also help alleviate pain and stiffness, not to mention, it helps relieve a little of life's stresses.